You clicked this video to see how a 1-minute scalping strategy passed a Topstep Combine in just 2 days. Well, I did it, and let me show you how. I traded live in my community, sharing my screen, showing every step of the way. Every entry, every stop, every single thought process. Here's the proof. My Topstep certificate, my calendar showing I passed in 2 days. You can see I only traded 2 days to hit my profit target of 3,000, passing my combine. No fluff, no guessing, just discipline, patience, and waiting for my setup. Let me break it down. Day 1 I made about $1,444, and day 2 I made about $1,560, and that was it. Combine pass in just 2 days. And if you're watching this thinking I could never do that, I want you to see the live proof. I showed every entry, every stop, even me trailing my positions and all my risk management within my trades. It's all there. This isn't the first time, and it most definitely won't be the last. And trust me when I say it's very repeatable for you to do if you just follow the rules I'm about to show you. First things first, let's just break down the strategy. I call it GZM flow, a 1-minute scalping method. Step 1, a new higher high or lower low is created. This is our first signal that there's a real move in the market and that trend wants to continue. Step 2, you wait for a pullback to the 13 EMA. You must patiently wait for price to pull back. Don't just jump in. This is our low risk entry areas. As it pulls back to the EMAs, then step 3, a wick off the EMAs. This wick shows rejection, and that's confirmation. And that's where step 4 comes in. We enter off the reaction candles, break of candle. After the wick off the EMA, we wait for the next break of candle back in the trend direction. This allows us to flow with the momentum, and your stop loss is easy. It goes above or below that wick. Now for the combine, I risk a minimum of 3 gold contracts, and I aim for 5 points. My stop loss is in a safe area. It's usually around 700 to 400. Going for that 5 points on 3 gold contracts, it aims for that $1,500 day minimum. Of course, I did this for 2 days. Day 1 was $1,444. I got cooked with fees. And day 2, $1,560 to make up for day 1 and some. Here's trade 1. I spotted a new higher high. These fast candles ripped and created new structure. I waited patiently for a pullback to the EMAs, and then once I finally got a break back in the trend direction, that's where I entered. Of course, stops right below that wick and my target. 3 gold contracts for 5 points. And just like that, $1,444 made. And like I said earlier, I kind of got cooked by the fees because my original TP was $1,515. But it was moving so quick to TP, it just cooked me a little bit. But that's alright. After that, I didn't try to force it to make that extra $60. I just called it a day. On day 2, I took only 2 trades. The first trade, I kind of cooked myself. I'll probably shoot down and start to dance around yesterday's daily high. And I knew we were ultimately on an uptrend. And this is where I messed up. I anticipated the breakout. Again, here where I say anticipated. The right move would be wait for confluences in my setup to actually catch that move going up. So I hopped in too early, price moved up a little bit in profit, and shot right back down. This is what I get, because as soon as it took me out, it shot right to TP1. But no worries, because that same play long is exactly what I took. A new higher high was created off of that momentum, and a pullback into the 13 EMA. And then a clean wick, and that break of candle is right where I entered. This one, I originally only entered into 3 gold contracts, but we started to slow down a little bit. We'll go into profit and then pull back. But I was confident in the trade, and I kept seeing how we wanted to break towards the TP. So I entered another 2 gold contracts. In total, I was at 5 gold contracts for about 4 to 5 points because I wanted to make up for that $800 I lost in the first trade. Then of course, hit my $1,560 goal to make up for yesterday's $60 deficit, and of course, my daily goal. Together, my take profit for $2,500. If you really want to know the exact math, you can go ahead and do it yourself. Again, off the top of my head, I'm pretty sure it was about 4 to 5 points. Nothing crazy. And from there, I sat on my hands and TP hit for altogether a day of $1,560. Exactly what I needed. Topstep Combine passed. This is where most traders fail. Patience and perfect setups. Wait for your rules to line up. Don't chase every setup. Only enter when every box is checked. My AI trading and psychology coach gave me the best tip that day. It told me that I'm now seeing both sides of my trading personality. The impatient side where I enter early on my trades, and the discipline side where I scale in and be patient. And this is what hit me the most. This right here is the difference between good and great, and how much I lean into the second one. Straight gold, gems. Also, if you're interested in exactly how I set that up, look at my latest video. I'll link it here or here. I don't know exactly what corner it is, to set up your own trading coach and psychology coach. Trust me, it's gold. Now remember, Proverbs 16:3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. Now, again, this isn't just trading advice. This is a mindset. Discipline over ego. Consistency over chaos. That's what gets you funded. And that's what gets you payouts. And of course, that's what separates successful traders from the masses. Now, if you want to trade live with me, see every entry, and get guidance on anywhere in your journey, this is just one of the exact systems I've given guidance on in my community. If you're struggling and failing to pass your Topstep Combine or haven't even placed your first trade, then MTF might be the community for you. Or just check it out for less than a coffee a day. First link in the description. And remember, losses don't break us. Wins, they build us. And the process defines us. If you want more live trade breakdowns, tips, and insights, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get funded together. Patience equals profits. Now, let's work on those payouts because the job isn't finished. Peace.